Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Embassy Shredder reviews. Well guys, this video will help you know whether this website is legit or a scam one. If you have not purchased anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you decide the answer to this question. Should I buy anything from this site or not? Moreover, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, watch our video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before sharing the way, let's find out some essential details about the website. Guys, Embassy Shredder, this website is selling shredders of Embassy brand along with some accessories including lubricant sheets. It helps prevent the paper jam. It reduces the noise and paper dust. It applies just the right amount of lubricant every time and lubricant never touches your hand. There are different shades and colors of the paper shredder. It's Embassy 12 sheet microcut paper credit card and CD DVD shredder. It is available in different colors. You can see all the colors here. It includes purple, silver, white, golden, blue, red, black and green. Well guys, before you decide to buy any product from this website, it is essential to find out all the legitimacy checkpoints which I am going to share with you in this video. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further guys, I have analyzed the website and I've come up with some pros and cons of the website. Here guys, we will see more details here in the menu option, where you will find that this website does not has any about us page. Looking at the contact us page and finding out the contact information, we found only a phone number, which you can see here. This is the phone number, the only way to contact them. You can also fill the form and send them for further contact. Guys, the payment modes are many. As you can see, there are different payment modes including Visa, MasterCard, debit card, and you can also make payment through PayPal, and there are many options. Moving further guys, you will find that this website is around 5 years old. This website has an old registration, but guys, we did not found any customer reviews on the site which create a doubt in our mind. Also, you will not find any shipping policy. Return policy is mentioned in the website, where they have mentioned that you have to call for return authorization number and pack the product in its original carton so that your product can be returned. So according to this, they have mentioned that return is acceptable, but guys, clear return policy is not mentioned here. Also, their lack of social media presence state that the website still carries some suspicions. Also, you will find that the same product has been sold on many other websites including Amazon. You will find Embassy brand products on Amazon as well. So overall guys, this website is 5 years old, which is a positive point for the site. But apart from that, we found a lot of red flags which make us lot of doubt, and because of those doubt, we are not able to come up with a final verdict for the legitimacy of this website. That's why we request you all to share your reviews with us about its legitimacy. Please comment your thoughts in the comment box and let us know more about the website. Friends, now the time is to reveal the money back option. Guys, if you are looking for the money back option, all you have to do is visit the link which is given in our description box. View the link properly. Keep commenting your thoughts on this video. Like our video. Subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe. Be informed, friends. Have a nice day. Thank you.